Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your school iPad. First, you need to assess your iPad's limitations. Check if the App Store is blocked or if there are specific network restrictions preventing game downloads. Sometimes, school Wi-Fi blocks gaming servers, so understanding these initial hurdles is key to finding a solution. If the App Store is blocked, look for browser-based versions of Brawl Stars or similar games that don't require installation. Another effective method is to use a personal hotspot from your phone, bypassing the school's Wi-Fi entirely. Alternatively, a virtual private network, or VPN, can mask your internet traffic and potentially unblock game access. For more advanced users, exploring trusted third-party app stores might offer a way to download games, but always proceed with caution to protect your device from malware. Remember, device security is paramount. Also, be mindful of your school's acceptable use policy regarding iPad usage. Violating rules could lead to consequences. When you do play, make sure it's during your free time, like lunch or breaks, and never during class. Using headphones can enhance your gaming experience without disturbing others. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other deals. Always be respectful of school rules and enjoy your game responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.